Good afternoon. How is everyone? Great. Okay, so today, our objectives. Let's take a look at the board. So what we're going to do is we're going to review the mock test. I know. Reading. We're only going to go over the reading today. And we're going to understand why we answered the questions the way we did. Because some of the questions we had some problems with, correct? Yeah. Okay, so that's going to be our first thing. And then we will review strategies for reading. So that will help us when we get to the external exam, the real test. All right, so does everybody understand what we're going to be doing today? Fantastic. Good, thank you. All right, so first, you're going to need a copy of your mock exam, which I have right here. All right, so here you go. Great. Here. Fantastic. So, let's take a look and let's go through them each question one at a time. I realize the reading is pretty short, but it was pretty difficult, wasn't it? Chandela, yeah. So, there's only 8 questions, but let's go through them one at a time. So, the first question, it seemed like everybody did all right. So did everyone answer true? Yeah. I think that you did pretty well on that one. Everybody, yeah? Great. So let's go to the second question. That was a fill in the blank. So some people answered with the word raw, R-O-W. Why? So you thought that the spelling of raw, R-A-W, was with an O. That's understandable. So why don't you make sure, let's write down, and where in the text can you find the word? So why, maybe, did we make the mistake? Oh, we didn't look back in the text. So remember, the answers that you're looking for are actually in the text. So a spelling mistake, you need to make sure that you look back in the text because the spelling is actually right there in front of you. Great. Okay. So what about the last question? Because everybody seemed to have had a problem with that last question. Okay, Aerosol, yeah? So you answered false. Did everybody else answer false? But it was true. Why? Why do you think it was true, but you answered false? Can you look back in the text? Because the answer is actually in the text. So let's try and find the answer in the text. What do you think? Shahana? Great, yes, exactly. So it's need, the word is need versus want. What's the difference between need and want? Great. Yes. So I need help sometimes, but I want coffee. I really want coffee all the time, but I don't need it, right? Good. Very good. Okay. Fantastic. So now that you kind of understand why you answered the questions the way you did and why you got them wrong, why don't we move on to strategies that will help you and make sure that next time on the real test, you do better. All right? Good. Are there any questions? No? Okay, great. All right, so first, what's the first thing that we should do? Great, yes. You need to pick up your pencils. That's brilliant. All right, so what's something that you look at when you look at your reading? What's that, Eris? Yes, you look at the pictures. So if you look at a picture that might be on the reading, that might help you to maybe understand what the reading is about. Fantastic. All right, so illustrations, pictures, that'll help you with understanding maybe a little bit about what the article's about. So that's a great strategy to begin with. Fantastic. Okay, so what else? What else might help you with understanding a little bit about what you need to do? Anybody? What are some of the things we discussed before? What do you think? What about reading anything? The first paragraph. Okay, well, what about the first paragraph? What are you going to do? Read the topic sentence. That's a good idea. Fantastic. So, if you read the first paragraph, maybe the topic sentence in the first paragraph, that's a good strategy. Okay. What about reading the first sentence and the last sentence in each paragraph? Maybe that will help you. Great. Okay. Anything else? What else might help you? These are strategies for you and that you used in your mock exam. What else? So there are different kinds of questions. What are you going to do with these questions? What kind of questions do you have? Multiple choice. What else? Fill in the blank. Okay, good. Which ones are the easiest questions? And maybe that you should do first? Multiple choice. Very good. So you have a 50-50 chance of getting multiple choice right. So those are the ones that you should do first. That's very good. Okay, nice, Chandelette. Okay, all right, so then what? Highlighting keywords. Nice, Agidium. Okay, good. All right, so why should we highlight keywords? Why is that a good idea? Oh, okay. So that can help you understand and comprehend the text a little better. Fantastic. But what else? Making them synonyms. Oh, fantastic. Very good. Okay, so these are really great strategies. And what about your mock exam? How did you do using these strategies on your mock exam? So let's try now to review some of these strategies and whether you really used these strategies on your mock exam. So let's start and review that.